Meanwhile, the Integrity Commission has revealed that the Prime Minister and 7 other current and former parliamentarians are yet to be given the all-clear for their 2017 integrity declarations. Now, Commissioner Pamela Monroe-Ellis said the declarations cannot be cleared because all the information required under law must be provided before that can happen.
It's not just for a declarant to indicate what the asset and liability is at the 31st of December, but incumbent on that declarant is a requirement to provide evidence to support whatever it is that is reported. Where a declarant has failed to provide all that information, then it is considered to be not completed. I can report that as of today, the status remains the same.
Those in breach are Prime Minister Andrew Holness, State Minister in the Labour Ministry Xavier Main, Luther Buchanan, Leslie Campbell and Ian Hales, as well as former parliamentarians Ruel Reid, Arnaldo Brown and Keith Walford. Mrs. Monroe-Ellis, however, says action against those still without clearance has been held up by the non-appointment of a Director of Corruption Prosecutions. She said that appointment must be cleared up quickly for action to be taken. Dirk Harrison is now acting in the role.